So hello guys, this is Sahil again. Today we will make a calculator using switch statement. Okay. First, let's declare a variable int a. Okay. Another variable int b. Let's forget int. Let's take float. Okay. Float a and float b. Okay. And we have to take a character c. Now we will ask user to enter the first number. Now we will scan it. %f comma and a. Okay. Now we will ask the user to enter the character. Okay, like plus, minus, multiply, divide, anything. We use %c for character, as you know, and c. Now we will ask user to enter the second number. %f comma and b. Okay, now as you know from the syntax of switch statement, we will do switch c. Now we will take cases of plus, minus, multiply, divide. Let's take first the case of plus. Case, we have to take character in single commas. Plus print we will print sum is equals to %f comma a plus b. Okay, we have printed sum is equal to %f. What is %f? A plus b. Okay, now we will break the case. Like this we will make cases for minus, multiply, divide. Let's copy it. Plus, minus, we will do this subtraction is %f a minus b. Okay, now here we will do division. Div is equal to a upon b, and here we will do multiplication. Here we will use asterisk. Okay, so I think our calculator is ready. Let's see. Let's enter a number 12 and a character plus, enter another number 13, and so it's 25. To make it more clear, let's do /n here. Let's see now. So enter the first number, anything, 1 2 3 2 1 2. Okay, character multiply into 1 2. Okay, it's 2544. So I think you understood this video. Okay, thank you.